Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. To use a proxy with Janitor AI, firstly you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down janitorai.com and enter it. So once you get into this interface of the Janitor, make sure you already have signed into your account. And next what you need to do is you need to open any of this character. As I'm going to select this character here. And once you select this character, scroll a bit down and click onto this continue chat, or you need to select a start a new chat. So from here what you need to do is click over here in the top right corner of this three-line icon. And over here go to this API setting. And from the API setting here, what you can do is you can simply select for your response length if you want shorter or standard. You can also select this provider if Janitor or proxy here. Click over here under this proxy. Over here, if you want any proxy configuration, you can also click onto this new icon here and type down your custom proxy. Over here, you need to fill in the configuration. You can name anything you like over here. And you can also select for the proxy URL if you have, and the full API endpoint. Many providers require the complete V1 chat or completion URL API. And after that, you need to paste your API key over here that you generated. And after that, you can also select for the model if you want GPT-4 or cloud. And over here, if you want to put any of the custom prompt, what you can do is you can simply put here. And after that, you can click onto this add and select save over here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.